ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯃꯔꯛ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯣ please sit down. Hujaikanse morning dagi evening se ai campaign se non stop da tawda lok khara khu haure aduna aigi karino makon se khara wat khenga sidi. Thank you. Mayambu kurumjari ai ngasidi English na khara hai karge. I thank the Almighty God for bringing us together here today. We started this meeting in the morning. Now it is afternoon, but God is still with us. I believe that God has a plan for all of us. Through your prayer and through your valuable support, I got the ticket from the NPF party. By the grace of God, the NDA has joined us. I take this opportunity to acknowledge and express my gratitude to all the NPF leaders and NDA leaders who have made this possible. We have traveled half of our journey, but we have miles to go before we reach our parliament. I am very certain that together, we all together, we will reach the Indian Parliament very soon. Thank you. Now, most respected are Ino Y. Patton, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Nagaland, for taking out his time and making this program a success. He had to go because he has other prior engagement. Our most respected Ino Awangbo Nimai, President NPF MSU, Honorable Minister, Government of Manipur, I especially thank him for this grand campaign program. I also thank Ino Tenjang Ima Along, Honorable Minister, Higher Education and Tourism, Government of Nagaland, for coming all the way from Nagaland to the extreme corner of our state, Manipur. That is the Chandel. I thank him. I especially thank, in Tangkhul I'll call it achon, Ili SS Olis, Honorable MLA 41 Chandel AC, for hosting this meeting in her assembly constituency. Today we see Chandel has changed and has transformed because of her able leadership and the work he has done here. I am grateful for her support and also the help extended to me so far. I also express my sincere thanks to Ino Changhemlung, I call him Ahem Panmei, Honorable MLA Tamenglong. Thank you so much. I also thank Ino Prisho Shimre, former Deputy Speaker, Manipur Legislative Assembly. He also has to go early, but his presence is still felt. I also thank Ino Samuel Risom, ex-MLA Ukur, Working President NPF Center Kohima. He is present with us with his wife. Thank you. I also express my gratitude to BD Bering, ex-MLA Chandel, for being with us. I also express Sri Ashwani Kumar, Chairman Loktak Development Authority. He also has some engagement. He has to leave us. I thank Hopinson Shimre, Vice President PGB Manipur. He also has to go. He is not with us at the moment, but still I thank him. Victor Nunglung, ex-MLA Chandel. He is from this place. So good of him to be with us. D. Rangu, ADC Chairman, Caretaker Chandel. He has been kind enough to be with us here. I especially thank Reverend Pastors, church leaders who have come here and prayed for me, especially. This prayer they have done for me, I cannot repay in my life. Thank you once more. Today, I am so surprised and practically shocked that I have received donors from various quarters, including PGB leaders, workers, churches, and all supporters from Chandel. This is something I have to be very grateful, and I express my gratitude. I still have to thank a lot of people here. L. Startson, President NPF Chandel Division, and his colleagues. S.K. Anshel, President BJP Chandel Mandal, and his colleagues. Dr. Reverend Konungthang Ngoro, Reverend J. Simpson. I thank both of them for participating in this program. I also expressed my gratitude to all the rank files of NPF, PJB, NPP, Chandel who have come and have joined us here. The President and colleagues of CNBO, President and colleagues of the CSOs from Hills and the Valley, village chiefs who have come here, headmen, chairmen, church leaders, my prayer supporters, thank you all. All the dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, media fraternity, and my dear online viewers, my dear brothers and sisters who have come and joined us, thank you all for joining in this meeting. I have decided to serve the people of my constituency through public service. For this reason, I decided to contest this election, and so far we have come to this stage. This is a responsibility that has been given to me, which is enormous. Me and my wife, we are very humbled, truly honored for this opportunity that is on the way. We need your prayer, we need your support, and we need your vote. Without your vote, without your support, how many plans, the vision I have, the mission I have planned for my people, I cannot accomplish without your support. Therefore, today I stand here asking for your support, for your vote. I ask you to stand by me. Today I want to share a few words on the issue we are facing today. Let me come to this issue straight away. In my state of Manipur, we have many communities. And we have been living together in peace. But now, the Nagas, the Gugis, the Meiteis are not happy anymore about the situation in Manipur. In fact, no one is happy today. Violence begets violence. And today, I want my people to stop for a moment and think. And if you can do it, take one step back. I appeal to all of you, including me, do not take any decision when you are angry. This can lead us to the wrong place or wrong decisions. The government, the CSOs are giving all the efforts to solve our problem, but they alone cannot solve our problem. It is our problem. And therefore, it is we to solve it. We should not make our problem unsolvable. Every problem has an answer. And the thing that required today is we find that solution. Therefore, we need to solve this problem that we are facing today together and collectively. As I'm saying, we should be the solution, not the problem. If we are the problem and we are not the solution, then we can never solve. And I, again, would like to say that look for answers for any problem. Don't try to create a problem and leave it unsolved. If we look for the solutions in our life, I think many things we have today can be solved, can be resolved. By the grace of God and through your valuable supports and votes, given a chance to represent in the Parliament, I will definitely work and bring peace and development in Manipur. What we need today in the present situation is peace. Without peace, there cannot be any development. Without peace, there cannot be any economic activities. Even our normal social life have been disturbed. Therefore, peace is essential for inclusive development. What Manipur needs today? Manipur needs peace and prosperity. And that can come only when there is mutual respect for each other. And when there is a dialogue where two communities, three communities can come and discuss the issue to find solution to our problems. This is what I have in my mind. If I'm elected as a member of Parliament, then all my efforts should be given to bringing peace and develop our state. I will try. I will put all my capabilities and ensure that our state has a share in the development process. When it comes to Chandel and Tengnopal area, I have been speaking sometime in some of my speeches about delimitation issues. If we do delimitation issues based on 2001 population census, or even on the basis of 2011 census, Chandel should be getting one more seat. Chandel and Tengnopal will get one more seat. So when this delimitation process comes, I will ensure that your concerns, your views are taken care of. And only after consulting and sitting with you, that delimitation exercise will be completed. I have been coming to Chandel not so frequently, but regularly. I find Chandel and Teknopal to be the gateways to Act East policy of India. We Chandel people must take this opportunity to develop our district, our Chandel, our Tenopal as one of the best possible place where we can carry on with our many activities. I'm referring mostly to economic activities. One day, I'm sure Chandel can have and should have special economic zone. Good roads, connectivities for this purpose. Many of us may be familiar with the concept of special economic zone. If we go to China, or if you go to other parts of our country, India, in order to have economic development, you have to have special economic zone or special economic zones. When I see what is happening in my area, particularly across my state, Myanmar, earlier Burma, massive Chinese special economic zone is taking place in Mikiana, which is the Kachui state. Massive economic developments are taking place. Therefore, when I see our map, particularly our Naga areas, I find that our future lies in the east, because the kind of development that is taking place in Myanmar, because of the investments made by China, massive railways are coming down, massive roads are coming down, special economic zones are being created, and billions and billions of dollars are being invested. And then in the eastern side of Burma side, deep sea ports are coming up. And not only that, a number of other economic activities are taking place. When I see all these activities, and when we look at the Act East policy of India, we are referring to eastern countries like Myanmar, Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, etc. There are 10, 11 countries. India wants to have the maximum relationship with these countries, have maximum economic activities. And the important thing of this Act East policy of India is that they have to go through our land, your land, particularly Chandel and Tengnopal. So massive trade routes are coming. Economic activities in the years to come will be so good, so great, that we should be prepared today. Therefore, from Indian side, I will definitely appeal to our leaders in Delhi that look at us carefully, and even for India, to make India a global power, they need Northeast. They need our land. They need our corridor. So this is a picture we have. Therefore, do not feel today that we are being neglected. You cannot be neglected because things are coming. Therefore, what I'm trying to say is that if our place is peaceful and if we allow economic activities to take place, then our place is ideally placed for the great things to come. But this development, these economic activities, one person cannot do. One person alone cannot do. It should be a collective effort. Therefore, I want you to say one more time that together, we work together. That will ensure prosperity in the state of Manipur, particularly Chandel and Tengnoupal area. So what I am trying to say is that we need to have peace, economic development. Then apart from these two things, we also need to have social justice. We need to have quality education. We need to have our farming activities, innovative farming activities, agriculture activities. All these activities will make our place a much better place to live. I have so many things to say. I have so many ideas in my mind, and given me the chance one day, all these programs and all these policies that we have in our mind can be fulfilled only when I get your support and your vote. Therefore, one more time, I appeal to you and I pray to you to vote for me and elect me to be your representative. If I am elected, as I say, I will do my best in my capacity to bring development, peace, social justice, particularly in Chandel and Tengnoupal area. Therefore, today I stand here to please give me a chance to be your voice in the Lok Sabha. Together, let us bring all the required positive changes in the state. Therefore, I want to say in Meitei language a little bit of my prayer request. Aduna, Aibu nungsibiduna, nakoy mayam gi support to on the PBO. Aibu nakoy gi vote piraga engonda parliament da thabiyu haibusi nakoy mayam bo ena ngasi appeal tauraga prayer egi prayer da nakoy bo asi hajin mani nakoy mayam na patient oina egi karino speech tabi bagi yam nusi ayuk tagi huchik pabusi ekoi mayam si yam ware eina yengbada chakshu chadre oirabusu mayam na tabi bada nakoy na tabi basi yam na nungaire. From my bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you to all of you, and being very supportive to me in the days to come, in the years to come. Let us work together, and for that purpose, to bring peace, to bring development, and all the changes, positive changes. Purakningai haibushi mishin nakhoibu through my prayer in the nakhoibu request of me. Thank you so much, and very grateful to you. Egi wadi di asida lotion krige asina asimai tauraga ngasi di lotion krige. Thank you so much.